Hi, Kipsters. Hi, families. Welcome to today's number corner. Thumbs up, elbows out, elbows down, thumbs down. Meet me there. Get ready. I love math. Yes, I do. I love math. How about you? Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Months of the year, get ready. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Months of the year. My turn first. Today is Monday, April 20th, 2020. One more time. Today is Monday, April 20th, 2020. Your turn. Today is great job. You all said today is Monday, April 20th, 2020. Woo, we're right here. We only have all of these days until the next month, which will be May. Can't wait. How many days have we been in school? Count with me. Get ready. 100. Stop. Switch. Count by tens. 110, 120, 130, 140. Stop. Switch. Count by ones. 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149. We've been in school a new day, so I need to add. That's right, I need to add one more. We know that 1 more than 9 is 10. 1 more than 9 is, that's right, 1 more than 9 is 10. So what can I do? Right now I have 10 ones, but I remember something. I remember that 10 ones is the same as something else, so I think I can switch it out. What is 10 ones the same as? That's right. 10 ones is the same as 110. 10 ones is the same as, that's right, 10 ones is the same as 110. So I'm going to get rid of all 10 of these ones and replace it with 110. Because I know 10 ones is the same as 110. Great, let's recount. Count with me. 100, stop, switch, count by 10, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. Woo! We've been in school 150 days. Ooh, Ms. Ross can draw a better circle. I'm sorry, friends. 150 days. So now, I have a question. Is it odd or even? Odd or even? Odd or even? Odd or even? Is the number 150 odd or even? And how do you know? Let's look at the numbers in the hundreds, tens, and ones place. Is the number 150 odd or even? And how do you know? 5 more seconds. This should be so quick because you all are so good at telling me if numbers are odd or even and how you know. 3, 2, and 1. If you said the number 150 was even, you are correct. The number 150 is even because there's a 0 in the ones place, and we know that 0 is even. One more time. I know, and you know, that the number 150 is even because there's a 0 in the ones place, and we know that 0 is even. Great job, friends. Coins. Oops, I'm going to stand on this side. Coins. Get ready. Pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. Pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. A penny's worth 1 cent, a nickel's worth 5 cents, a dime is worth 10 cents, a quarter, 25. Pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. Pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. This is called a, we should be so quick at coins now. This is called a, that's right, it's called a nickel. How much is it worth? Show me with your hands in 3, 2, When I see a lot of friends with a high five up because they know a nickel is worth 5 cents. How do we know this is a nickel? Looking at the coin, how do you know it's a nickel? That's right, because he has a braid and he has a very, very big collar. That's how we know this is a nickel. So this is called a nickel. It's worth 5 cents. And we know it's a nickel because he has a braid. I'm going to actually put this down here. What is this coin? It's a little bigger than the nickel. What is this coin? That's right, this is called a quarter. How much is a quarter worth? 25 cents, you betcha. It's worth 25 cents. But how do you know this coin is a quarter? How do you know this coin is a quarter? Oh, because it says $quarter. How else do you know this is a quarter? Aha, because he has a curl. Good job. This is called that's right, you can see it from here. That's called a penny. How much is it worth? I see a lot of friends giving me the number 1. 1 cent. It's worth 1 cent. How do we know this coin is a penny? That's right. It's facing the other way. It's all up in the Kool-Aid, but don't know the flavor. Last coin. What coin is this? Don't get tricked. That's right. This is a dime. How much is a dime worth? Show me with your hands. Yep, people are giving me 2 high fives. It's worth 10 cents. It's worth, that's right, this is a dime. It's worth 10 cents. How do we know this is a dime? Looking at this coin, how do you know this coin is a dime? Aha, because there's a straight line. On the dime, I see a straight line. On the dime, I see a straight line. On the dime, I see a straight line. Great job, friends. You know this is a dime. It's worth 10 cents. And you knew it was a dime because he has a straight line. Friends, let's count by tens. Count by tens. Get ready. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. You are so good. You didn't even need to look at the 120 chart. So great. Let's count by fives. Get ready. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 150, 120. You all did not get tricked once we got to the hundreds. You all did such a great job. I heard you say 100, 105, 110, 115, 120. Friends, let's count by twos. Get ready. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42. Keep going. 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 100. Friends. It's time to switch count. It's time to count by ones. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Stop. Switch. Count up by tens. 13, 23, 33, 43, 53. Stop. Switch. Count up by ones. 53, 54, 55. Stop. Switch. Count up by fives. 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. Stop. Switch. Count up by twos. 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90. Stop. Switch. Count up by tens. 90, 100, 110, 120. Stop. Switch. Count back by ones. 120, 119, 118, 117, 116, 115, 114, 113, 112. Stop. Switch, count back by tens. 112, 102, 92, 82, 72, 62. Stop. Switch, count back by ones. 62, 61, 60, 59, 58, 57, 56. Stop. Switch, count back by tens. 56, 46, 36, 26, 16. Stop. Switch, count back by ones. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, whisper, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Friends, today we are going to compare some numbers, just like we did a couple weeks ago. So, let's look at the first one. We have the numbers 64 and 69. I want to figure out, if I need to put greater than, less than, or equal to on this blank. So let's look at the numbers 64 and 69. What's the same about both numbers? That's right. They both have a 6 in the tens place. So is that going to help me figure out which number is bigger looking at the tens place and they're the same? Yeah, absolutely not. Looking at the tens place is not going to help me figure out which number is bigger. So I'm not going to put a check underneath on top of the 6 in the tens place. Let's look at the ones place. There's a 4 here and a 9 here. This number has 4 ones and this number has 9 ones. Now that we know that, which number do you think the alligator is going to want to eat and why? So we know the tens is not going to help us, but the ones place is. This number has 4 ones and this number has 9 ones. Which number is the alligator going to want to eat? That's right. He's going to want to eat the number 69. Oops. Sorry, friends. He's going to want to eat the number 69 because 4 ones is less than 9 ones. If we read it from left to right, the alligator mouse is going to want to eat 69 because 4 ones is less than 9 ones. So 64 is less than 69. Do not forget, we always read from left to right. We always read from, so you always start on this side. 64 is less than 69. Let me go ahead and write that underneath. 64 is less than 69. Let's try the next one together. I have the number 210 and I have the number 201. Let's look at the first number in the hundreds place. Are they the same? They are. So should I use the hundreds place to help me figure out which number is bigger, which number is greater? No, the 2 is not going to help me out because both numbers have a 2 in the hundreds place. So they equal the same thing. Let's look at the tens place. What number is in the tens place in the number 210? That's right, there's a 1 in the tens place here. And what number is in the tens place in the number 201? That's right, there's a 0 in the tens place. So now that we know that, what number is the alligator going to want to eat? That's right, the alligator is going to want to eat the number 210 because 110 is greater than 0 tens. Because is greater than, so that must mean the number 210 is greater than 201. I'm going to go ahead and write that underneath. 210 is greater than 201. Oh, this last one's a little tricky. We can either draw this out or write. I think we're past drawing out. If you need to draw, go ahead and do that to help. But I think if I read it, we'll be able to figure out what number it is by writing the number out. This number is 7 tens and 2 ones, blank the number 72. 7 tens. Let's actually draw it and write the number. So this number has 7 tens, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 2 ones. 1, 2. Let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Stop. Switch. Count by 1. 71, 72. Okay, so 7 tens and 2 ones is the same as 72. Oh, and look, I have the number 72 on this side as well. So is 72 greater than 72? No, that doesn't make sense. Is 72 less than 72? Yeah, you're right. That doesn't make sense either. Are 72 and 72 the same number? Absolutely. So that must mean they are what? They are, you got it, they're equal. So I'm going to write 72 is equal to 72. And we know that because they're the exact same number. Because 7 tens and 2 ones is the same thing or is equal to 72. You all did such a great job during Number Corner and comparing numbers. I can't wait until we go back to writing numbers in expanded form and looking at expanded form and writing the number. Can't wait. Bye, Kipsters. Bye, families.